Hey, welcome to another show. It's time to get out the popcorn, get out the ice cream, and enjoy this week's adventure. You're so weird. And he talks to himself too. They're after us. Come on. Don't just stand there. Come on. Whoa, they're after us. We've got something they want. Only me and Her Majesty know about it. Can you see them? Oh, yeah. Get down. Quick, into the field. Let's go. Just give me the camera. Ngella needs it for... It's still on! Hey! What camera can I use? I don't know. Use your iPhone. Oh, great. 3, 2, 1, and action!
What I really love about horses is that they're big, powerful, and you can have this amazing connection with them that goes far beyond anything you can imagine. If you think of a dog that can lay down, sit, and be taught, a horse can do all that and more. There are two types of horses. The naughty one that has to be locked up into a stable because he's not safe. And the good horse, the well-behaved horse that can be trusted and experience life.
Hey, look over here.
Who are you?
I'm 00 Kevin.
Hey Kevin, have you come to help me today?
Oh yeah, I'm amazing with horses.
Well, actually, I was wondering if you could help me in the stables.
Sure.
Come on Kevin, the stable is just here.
Sounds like an impressive job.
Right, here it is.
It's a big job. Impressive though.
You're gonna pick up those droppings.
And what?
And don't go round the naughty horse.
Nice ball. That horse is spaniel. My hair's orange, not red. Thanks for watching our show. Remember, you're amazing and you can do amazing things. See you next show.
Ah, it's you again. You haven't subscribed yet. Come on, click on subscribe to our channel. Quick. Do it for yourself, your country, your fellow men, me, hedgehogs, gerbils, goldfish, the fish and chip shop man. Quick, come on, subscribe.